for Pod County in north central Texas, west central Hopkins County in north central Texas, southwestern Delta County in north central Texas, southeastern Collin County in north central Texas, until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over a Merritt, or 10 miles west of Greenville, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Wiley, Greenville, Commerce, Farmersville, Wall City, Cattle Mills, Celeste, Cumbie, Campbell, Merritt, Greenville City Lakes, Greenville Club Lake, Klondike, Cooper Lake, Lavon, Nevada, Josephine, Naylandville, Kingston, and Ridgeway. This includes Interstate 30 between mile markers 87 and 110. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for north central Texas.
Oh, that is light rain, I can tell.